today you're at one of the salons that I worked on, and the owner is actually opening a fourth salon. So we're going to show her the new design plan for her new location, which is located in Massachusetts. Hi, it's good to see you.
Good to see you.
I see that you're looking at the design board that I sent. So Tui, can you talk more about your business, the service that you provide?
So we specialize in lash extension. That's our main and biggest focal service. And our service is very luxurious. So that means we use high-end products. Our girls are highly skilled and trained. We want to give the best of the best, the most luxurious to our client at their own, these are modern day women who are busy. So when we create the concept of EYE LUSH, we want to give clients the feel that this is luxurious service. I have access to research and studies to understand all the scientific part of the eyes and the lashes. So we train our girls to make sure that while they're focusing on the art and the design, the glamorous feel that other people see in their lashes, but we also want clients to feel how healthy it is when they're wearing their lashes, how natural it is that they're wearing our lashes.
Well, I could only trust myself with Tui when it comes to having eyelash extension being applied on my own lash. Tui had done my lashes a few times, and her girls are also wonderful. So I have my lashes done on special occasions. So if you have weddings, parties to go to, or you just on a daily basis just want beautiful lashes, I recommend going to EYE LUSH Salon because they do know what they're doing. They are really clean. They take sanitation very seriously because your eyes is an opening. You don't want anybody go near your eye. I know I don't want anybody to go near my eye unless I trust them and they have the background and the knowledge to do that. So if you wanted to get your lash done, go to EYE LUSH Salon.
Thank you.
Is there any concern about the design that you would like to address?
You've been working with us for 3 of the salons, designing our 3 salons, so I am pretty secure and confident that you will make this another successful project for us, and communicating the same idea that we want to communicate with our own brand. Yes.
So when you walk right in, I don't want the first impressions to be as impactful.
Okay.
I really want to keep the impactfulness in the reception room.
Like a secret garden.
Like a little secret garden, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I have these 2 white here. So the wall is going to be white on white. So this is actually the white color here for the main wall. And then we're going to break it up by adding chair rail. And the color of the chair rail is going to be this nice white. It's called vibrant white. And the main wall color is called fresh popcorn.
Ooh.
Right? And when you go in, I decided to add these 2 shelving units. The reason for these tall shelving units is to really draw your eyes outward too, because you're sitting so low. And then second, I wanted to add some flowers and vases onto the shelf just to pop a little bit more pink. And just give that like little girliness before you actually go into the main room where you're gonna have that wow factor. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. And then to your right, you're going to have these 2
a waxing station.
Waxing station, yes. The wow factor. So when you walk right into the reception room, the first thing you're going to see is the wall with this arabesque style tile. It serves 2 purposes. It's aesthetically nice, super girly, glam, and because this glass is going to draw in a lot of light, and it's going to reflect a lot of light into the space. So the space itself has very low ceiling. Because there's a wall here where the window is, you're not going to have a lot of natural light going into the main room. So the main room is also going to have this wallpaper here. So we're still using that same idea of helping to elongate your ceiling height. A pinstripe wallpaper will really help draw your eyes outward and make the space feel taller. Yeah, so this pinstripe here has this nice blush cream color to it. which add that nice feminine feel that we're going for. Okay, so when you go into the actual lash station where you have all your beds here, it's best to have the wall color to be a little bit lighter. So I found this white paint that has like a pink tint to it. So this paint is called Shia. I also wanted to bring that extra girliness in by utilizing that back wall.
Yeah.
Utilizing this back wall by adding this chandelier style wall sconce.
Very sexy too.
Yes, very sexy.
Sexy and glamorous.
Yeah. Okay, so I also wanted to talk about the bathroom design. Keep it simple, right? Black and white with a pop of gold into the design. No, we have that vanity.
You know what I feel like? It's like Casablanca.
Yeah, so it
Right?
has that little glam Hollywood theme too, but having that gold.
Yeah, and then our mirror is also gold.
Yeah, so we're
Okay.
gonna do that black and white and pops of gold into the space. So what do you think about the design overall?
Well, I like that there's a theme that's very similar to all the salons. So I like that for my clients when they come into this new location, they feel like they've been here before. And this is signature eyelash. And also I like the idea that this is for the reminiscent of the old day glamorous.
Yeah,
Like a 1920 Audrey Hepburn, 1920 like Casablanca, very romantic, glamorous, yet with a modern design. I like the simpleness, the cleanliness, which gives you that modern day feel.
So how's it working with me as your designer?
The professionalism that you brought to this project. I put my whole trust in your taste. Feel like you understand what I want. Aside from that, I like that, you know, I'm very busy running my business, so I don't have to worry about the project plans and the timeline, as well as just you're usually on top of it. You're on top of me. you're like, tweak, did you get this done? More than I'm like, is this woman, like, is she?
Yeah,
Like, I feel like my concern is well taken care of.
And I'm very happy to be able to work with you because you're like an interior designer dream client because you just put your whole trust in me. It's sometimes very hard to have clients that will give you 100% trust, and you're definitely it. Like, you gave me 100% trust, and I love that about working with you.
Well, you're very competent. You know what you're doing. So
Oh, thank you.
and it translates in not only one project I work with you, but I work with you on numerous projects. Not just the salon, but I work on my house, designing my lake house, and I just let you run with it. So.